Alright, now we're back. And turn this, so, right up under where the ignition switch is. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try and shed some light in there. I put, yeah, there it is. Nice strain relief right on the back of the ignition. So all of that doesn't, as you're moving the handlebars when you're going into turns and all that sort of thing, it puts the strain on the strain relief rather than on the connections in your ignition switch. And none of those tamper resistant screws, just use plain old stainless steel. So, enough of all this. Let's see what happens. Hang on. I'm going to open my garage door so I don't breathe exhaust fumes, because I don't like that either, right? All right, so far so good. Let's see what happens. It lives. It lives. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hell yeah. All right then. Good night all.